Introducing the latest innovation in sharp safety from Cardinal Health. Cardinal Health Monoject standard and safety pen needles are designed for universal use with medication pen injectors. The Monoject safety pen needle features safe control technology for greater confidence and protection throughout the injection process. A visible needle helps confirm that the full dose of medication has been accurately delivered. A manual push tab enables simple one-handed activation of the safety mechanism. The short needle lengths allow for injection into the subcutaneous layer of skin. This promotes consistent insulin absorption. A protective cap keeps the needle sterile and helps shield from needle sticks until ready for use. A dual safety indicator provides visible and audible confirmation that the needle is covered. A safety guard covers the needle on both ends to help protect from needle stick injuries and bloodborne pathogens. The Monoject standard pen needle allows for less painful injections than traditional needles. The needles are color-coded for easy identification of needle lengths and gauge size. Both pen needle types are compatible with all major brands of pen injectors. Choose Monoject needles for safe and comfortable injections, one dose at a time. For more information or to order, contact your Cardinal Health sales representative or visit cardinalhealth.com/Monoject.